Okay, we're cooking on the rocket stove what my wife tells me is a chuck roast. It's cooking along really good. It was frozen solid when we started. Plenty of heat. Doing really good. Drop him over. Let him cook some more. Most of the oil down there is olive oil. I poured it on at the start so it didn't stick on the large griddle. We'll just let it roll back and forth a little bit. Let's put you a little closer. It does smell really good. So, matter of keeping the sticks fed in and flopping it back and forth. I've got a propane grill that for the last 2 years all we've done is, because I have so many sticks get blown down every time we have a windstorm come through from the trees, that we just keep cooking on this thing. One of my videos has a bunch of sausages that I cooked, a bunch of country style ribs, and now we're going to see how chuck roast tastes. Flip a little easier if you set it apart. There we go. This rocket stove, as I said on previous videos, was made out of a pressure tank for a well pump that bladder had gone bad. So we cut it apart and made a rocket stove out of it. Here's another one we're working on made out of a Freon tank. We'll get back to that in another day. Whoops, you got turned a little bit there. I guess we can move you a little closer as well. A little bit better. Now it's a little bit better view of it. There's the wood we've got fed into it. And it's doing fine. I really do believe that if you wanted to, there's probably nothing you couldn't cook on one of these things. Spread the oil around a little bit more. Doesn't take a whole bunch of time. It takes about 5 minutes for the heat to spread through that griddle. And once the stove gets going, and it's just a matter of patience. And then on. Put the wood in a little bit further. We're going to shut you off for a little while and come back in a little while when it's a little bit further along. Okay, I believe they're done. We're going to cut one open. We like have a tendency to like them a little rare. And that's just about the way we like it. Call us cannibals if you like, but that's the way it's going to be. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Hey everybody. I hope you liked that last video. Some of them I like after I get done editing them. Some of them I'm not so fond of, but once they're taken, you don't really know what you got until you go to editing. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you went down there, clicked on some of the others, give it a thumbs up, write a comment. Actually, subscribing would be great. Appreciate everything you can do for me. I've got more videos coming. I'll just get into them. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again another day.